Hello everybody and welcome once again to the fundamentals of remote sensing. Today is part 3 of our 4-part series focused on the basics of remote sensing using Hexagon Geospatial's Imagine. A link to the Hexagon Geospatial website as well as to our website will be in the video description below. So if you'd like any further help or want to inquire about the software, please don't hesitate to get in touch. In this video we will cover various approaches for subsetting an image. A subset using an active AOI layer on the screen will be used. We will also cover the steps used to create and define shapefile attributes. This will provide us with a starting point to lead into subsetting by shapefile attributes using Imagine. We will start by using a polygon vector dataset to subset our images. Select a polygon of interest and from the Drawing tab under the Edit group, click on Copy and then Paste. You will notice that a new layer AOI is added into the viewer. Next, we will proceed to remove the source vector layer. From the Raster tab under the Geometry group, click the Subset and Chip to select the Create Subset function. In the subsequent dialog, add your output image and also note that you can change the number of bands to be included in your output subset image. Click on the AOI button at the bottom of the dialog. In here, you need to specify the source of the AOI file to be used. In our case, the AOI is on the viewer, so we will select the viewer as the source. You need to make sure that the AOI is selected in the viewer. If not, select Exit this dialog and select the AOI feature from the 2D viewer. Now you can proceed to run the subset function. We will also save the AOI file for use in extracting the Sentinel-2A image. Next, we will create a shapefile in Imagine which we will use to subset our images as well. By right-clicking in the viewer, a host of functions are displayed. From that list, select New Vector Layer, specify the name of the shapefile as Study Area and select the type of features to be stored inside that shapefile. We will select Polygon Shapefile. Once created, a new layer is added onto the contents pane. Now we are ready to digitize our area of interest. With the shapefile selected, open the Drawing tab and from the Insert Geometry group, select the Add Polygon Geometry option and digitize the outline of your study area. Once digitized, the polygon feature can be used in the subsetting out of images. Proceed to sub your Sentinel-2A image as well as your Landsat 8 image. In the next video, we will use these subset images to understand the spectral properties of our images. Thanks for tuning into part 3 of the fundamentals of remote sensing. Keep an eye out for part 4 coming next week. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and maybe even subscribe to get notified when our videos go live.